Hi guys, thanks for tuning in and welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to review the final set of the Hot Wheels Team Transport 2021 Mix 1. So as you can see, the final set is the 65 Mercury Comet Cyclone and the Ford C800 hauler. So overall, this is a fantastic set as well. Hot Wheels has done an outstanding job to basically design this set. With its color combinations of red and white. As you can see, if you start from the 65 Mercury Comet Cyclone car, you can see the level of details that this particular vehicle has, including the popped out engine on the vehicle's hood, and also you can see the exhausts of the car that is underneath here. So if you put your focus on the wheels of the car, you can see that the wheels are of two different sizes. The front wheel is quite smaller compared to the rear wheels, which is basically how these cars comes designed anyway. And also the rims or the alloys of the car is also quite different. So you can see the front alloys are different to the rear alloys of the car, as the rear alloy is more has a hollow feeling or the texture to it. So overall, they have done a nice detail when it comes to the paint job of the car by selecting red and white. It is not an overkill with nice looking decals applied to the car. Right, so that's the car. That's the rear side of the car. You can see the it's quite detailed, and also if you look at the front side of the car, you can see that the headlights, indicator lights, as well as the front grille and the bumper are detailed as well. So overall, the car looks awesome. So coming on to the hauler, which is the Ford C800, they have chosen to basically color paint that with the same red and white combination, with some nice looking decals applied to the body. If you take a look at the front side of the hauler, you can see that the Ford logo is detailed on the front. You have the front headlights detailed along with the front bumper and the front grille, and also the indicator lights are detailed as well. Overall, the interior of the truck, I don't know if so the interior of the truck is of white color as well, which basically complements the body paint that they have done onto the car as well as to the hauler. So overall, it's a awesome looking Hot Wheels Team Transport set as well. All the three sets that came in this mix was quite awesome looking. I don't have any complaints. The only complaint that I have when it comes to this particular hauler is the ramp system. I'm not too sure if the original hauler or the original Ford C800 comes with this ramp system. I haven't basically checked that. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment on the video below. So as I said, I have reviewed all these three sets that came in the Hot Wheels 2021 Team Transport Mix 1. So that concludes the review for the Team Transport 2021 Mix 1 set. So if you guys like this video, make sure you hit the like button, and also do not forget to subscribe to the channel so that you guys will get notified when I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.